Okay, this video is how to make steel cut oatmeal. All right, here we are. Let's take a look at the back. Looks like you got to combine 2 cups of water to 1 cup of the quick cooking steel cut oats and a quarter teaspoon of salt in a slow cooker. And as you can see, it's going to take 45 minutes to an hour and a half to cook. So I got the water boiling, and we got to get it up to a nice roiling boil before we put them in. Okay, the bag's open and we can take a look inside. Now this big bag cost me approximately $7.50 at Costco, and it'll probably last me 2 months, because right now I'm going to make over 10 bowls of oatmeal with this first batch. Okay, so it's a 2-to-1 mixture. This is a 1 cup scoop, and I've got 10 cups of boiling water, so I got to put at least 5 of these scoops, or 5 cups of the steel oats into the boiling water. And I'm just going to go ahead and stick them right in there. And I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video so you don't have to endure me throwing 5 cups in there. And bam, there we go, done. Okay, as it's cooking, you need to get in there and stir up a little bit slowly, and because you're talking about an hour and a half. That's my honey right over here. She thinks this tastes like baby puke. Would never eat it, but I love it. So now it's boiling really good. We've got to drop that temperature all the way down to low and let it stay there for the next hour or so. And to keep it from boiling over, all you have to do is grab a wooden spoon and stick it over the top, and that will keep it from getting all over your countertop and stove. As you can see, there it is. Okay, so we checked the time, and in about 10 minutes to 2, we're going to probably be ready to eat. So we'll keep an eye on that. Okay, it's an hour later, and it looks like we are ready to go. I got a little bowl here, and we're going to go ahead and fill her up with some delicious cooked steel oats. And I'll speed that up for you so you don't have to endure me filling this bowl. All right, now we've got it in there. I'm going to put a little bit of delicious cinnamon on the top. And what I like to put instead of sugar or brown sugar is actually maple syrup, which I think really makes it taste delicious. As you can see, I'm judiciously spreading the maple syrup over the top of my steel oats oatmeal. And now we're going to take a taste and see how she tastes. Good. Perfect and moist. Delicious oatmeal. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other cooking videos and some of the other how-tos. All right, thanks. Oatmeal.